Today I want us to make a very quick and easy lettuce salad. Karibuni sana. So guys, our ingredients are lettuce, onions, tomatoes, lemon, capsicum, olive oil, black pepper, and salt. So guys, we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, lemon juice, so guys, we cut our red into small pieces. We'll add everything together. Contains nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins that helps prevent skin infections. It also helps in inducing sleep, and it also helps in weight loss because it has cholesterol controlling abilities. Imagine guys. So that is very beneficial. It also relieves migraines. Capsicum do also have a lot of benefits because it enhances muscle strength. It is also rich in potassium. This way it aids in fluid balance in our body. Capsicum also treats respiratory problems like asthma. It helps in treating respiratory problems. They also eliminate toxins from our bodies. They keep heart healthy as it maintains blood pressure and also helps in growing healthy hair. So guys, capsicum do also have a lot of benefits, so it's good to make it a habit to eat capsicum. Guys, on to our last ingredient. We now prepare our tomato. Family is big so that you can mix thoroughly, so that all the ingredients can mix nicely. Make sure your hands are clean. So make sure you make for your family this salad. As I have explained, guys, it is very nutritious. So make sure you make this salad and comment down below your view. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, continue subscribing. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, we are doing very well. Thank you so much for your support, guys. And until our next video, bye.